Do you keep thinking that I want to be creative and I want to make cool web designs, but every time these coding problems take so much time, and sometimes you look at your HTML and CSS for 10 minutes and have no idea where the problem is? Well, there is a solution. You can make your coding life easy, and instead of long and messy 27 lines of code, you will be able to make the same thing in just 17 lines, which means removing your headaches of at least 10 complex lines, so you can only focus on making better web designs. If you are a seasoned developer and looking for a game changer, or you are just starting your web development journey, this video will transform your web development potential. You might have heard from many developers that React is their choice when aiming to create impressive UI designs. But maybe a question keeps coming to your mind that what is React? React is an open source JavaScript library. And what is React actually used for? Let's be honest, some tasks in web development are tough, really tough. Imagine you are building dynamic interactive web applications where you want to change, replace and modify the UI elements again and again. In JavaScript, you need to manually update the elements and you jump from HTML to JS and JS to HTML again and again. You already know it quickly becomes very complex and hard to maintain. React makes it easy, means making your code more modular and easier to understand because you can create reusable UI components thanks to its component-based architecture. Let's say you want to create a div to show a number. You want to increment the number inside it when a user clicks a button. You can simply do it by telling React what things change in the component first, and a simple function that will increment it, and how it will return the output. Means so much better than doing the same thing with JavaScript using document.querySelector and document.getElementById, creating so many variables again and again. Now let's see where to put the React code. Create a React project as shown in the previous video, link in description. And inside this projects folder, open app folder, and there is a file called page.tsx. Delete all the code in this file and paste the new code. And as shown in the previous video, run the command npx space next space dev. If you want to experiment with this code, you will find a link in the description. In our upcoming video, we will dive into hands-on code examples. We'll showcase how React and JavaScript handle real-world web development scenarios. Thank you for being part of our web development community. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more web development insights. Until next time, keep coding and building amazing web experiences.